Alright, good morning everybody. It's Nick with NK Landscaping here. We just pulled up on a job. We're going to be doing a plant rip out, tear out for the landscape crew. Kind of tight access, so we're parked on the side road, and the job is actually that house right there. So I've got the excavator here. We've got the digging bucket, the rippers in the digging bucket, and then we got the grapple here. So we're going to rip out some of these plants around the house here, and then we're actually leaving because we got to go pick up some Unilock, and then we're bringing the machines back to the pool patio job that we're working on. So we're going to get unloaded here and get moved over to the job. Alright, we got the machine unloaded here. I've got everything grabbed. We've got the chainsaw, the rippers in the buckets and gas and everything. So we're going to track our way up to the house and get started tearing this stuff out here. Alright, so this is bed number one. All three of these plants are coming out. Then I'm probably gonna have to come up from the road so I don't drive on the walkway here. Maybe come through here and be able to grab one at a time. These two rhododendrons are coming out. And then there's one in the back, but I don't have any access. The whole yard is fenced in, so I think what I'm gonna have to do is just chainsaw this purple bush right here. I'll just chainsaw it and the guys will dig it out by hand, unfortunately. But I'm gonna get, just gonna chop these down a little lower so I have a little better access for the machine, and we'll start tearing these out here. 2 out of 3 beds have been teared out. So we got this front one here with the 3 bushes, those are out. We got the 2 big rhododendrons in the front of the house, and then there's one in the back here. It looks like we'll have access. I just gotta hop over that pile of dirt and then drive right through the backyard. There's one in the corner. It's just gonna be a little too hard for the guys to pull out, so I'll head back there. Just a bucket, pop it out, and load it in a wheelbarrow for them.